The question was this: how do I include multiple people in a LinkedIn message, or do I reference someone in a LinkedIn message? I'm going to show you a couple options in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all this content for you. So let's go create a new message. If I go to messaging right here is to create a new message. Now this message, I'm going to show you how to have multiple people included in a LinkedIn message. So first of all, I can invite my friend Carl by just typing his name and select from it. And then I can also invite my other business partner, Randy Wooden. Type his name and select. Now I can have, I believe it's up to 50 people in a message. Now, if you're going to invite 50 people, you better make sure the messaging is all really relevant and useful to all of them. Otherwise, they'll back out, they'll ignore it, and won't be of any value. So here's 2 people I've invited. Now I'm going to hand it right to message. Watch this. Now it says, what's the name? And the name is, a training on how to do multiple people in a message. Hey, Carl and Randy, this is just a test. You can ignore it. And I'm going to hit send. And boom, I just sent a message to Randy and Carl, and I can invite other people to chat, and it basically just says that. Now, by the way, I could, if I want to, I can add or remove people, or I can leave it myself. Let me repeat that. So here's the message. Here's the 3 dots above it. Now this is on desktop. It's let me see how similar that is on mobile. Give me 1 second. Go to messaging on mobile, and here it is right here. Here's my 3 dots. I can add people. I can leave. So yeah, same thing on mobile. 3 dots. I can add other people, or I can remove people, and or I could leave the message altogether. Okay, that's one way to do this. Now let's talk about the other way to reference, not necessarily include, but reference people in a LinkedIn message or LinkedIn chat. So here's my messaging down here. I'm gonna do it from the other screen here. Here's Carl. Here's the message that Carl just sent me, and I'm gonna show him how to do that in this video. Hey, Carl, just hit the @ symbol and type in their name at Randy Wooden, and there's his name there, and I can backspace out the last name at Randy is an example. I deleted his last name. And by the way, this only references Randy. It does not pull Randy into the conversation. Now let me summarize. This first option right here, I pulled Carl and Randy in the conversation because I added them to the conversation. This second option right here does not pull Randy into the conversation. All it does is provide a hyperlink to his LinkedIn profile so that Carl, who I'm sending this message to, can go see who Randy is. These are the 2 different ways to include or reference other LinkedIn members in your LinkedIn messaging. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.